In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google AI Studio for creating image and video. We'll start by going to Google AI Studio in your web browser. If you're searching for it, just type in Google AI Studio and open the official result. This will take you to the main workspace where you can begin creating with AI. Once you're on the site, click on Google AI Studio to enter the platform. From there, you'll be taken to a new chat or prompt screen. This is where you'll set up the type of content you want to generate. Next, click on the default model. This is an important step because the default option may not always support the kind of media you want to create. Opening the model selector lets you choose a version that works specifically for images or video. After that, click on Images. This tells Google AI Studio that you want to work on image generation instead of a standard text response. It's a simple switch, but it makes a big difference in the kind of output you'll get. Now, choose the model that supports image generation. Make sure you select one designed for images, since not every model includes that capability. If you pick the wrong one, your prompt may not generate the result you expect. Once the correct model is selected, type in your prompt. Be as clear and specific as possible when describing the image you want. Adding details like style, subject, background, lighting, or mood can help improve the final result and give you something closer to your vision. When you're ready, click Run. Google AI Studio will process your prompt and generate the image for you. You can also use this same general process for video creation. The steps are essentially the same, but instead of choosing images, you'll choose video and then select a model that supports video generation before entering your prompt and clicking Run.